Kurumirira mugomo wa Arutwo wa University ya Kenyatta uria wambiriirie mwambiririo wa kiumia giki na gucungiriria thukuru uyu kwamba kuhingwo muthenya wa ira, riu Arutwo maugite matikuhuruka nginya riria Vice Chancellor wa University Professor Wainaina ekwiyeheria kuma gituruini kiu ni kiria maugite akoretwo no huthiri moru wa wabici.
The Vice Chancellor Mr. Paul Wainaina must resign, and I want to tell the comrades that there will be no peace and we shall not rest, we shall not sleep, even if they send people back home. Tukirudi next week, hizo ukuta sasa zote zitatolewa kama bado Wainaina ako hapo.
No na thengia wa thukuru uyu kuhingwo muthenya wa ira nginya riria gukuhorera, umuthi Arutwo no mekorokete kihingo-ini gia thukuru uyu mone kana ni mekuhingurirwo guku angi nao makioya mirigo yao niguo mainuke.
We have a director of student affairs who doesn't understand student matters. He must resign immediately. After Wainaina, it's Dr. Magoma. After Dr. Magoma, it's Director Security, anaenda na watu wake wote.
Matongoretio ni Joshua Yika, murugamiriri wa Kusa University-ini ino, maugite megutigirira ni mathararia maundu mothe university-ini ino nginya Paul Wainaina eyeherie guku makineana mendekithia mao megi maundu maria marenda macenjio tariria mundu abatie kurikia kuriha fees yake.
Wazazi wanasafa sana. Someone is giving you 1 month to pay fees. People like School of Architecture, they are paying over 150,000. No medicines. Pale tunapata peke yake, it's only paracetamol and nothing else.
KU has become a university for the rich, and the poor like us and most comrades here, we cannot afford to pay our fee. We have been pleading with the administration to kindly push the fee deadline to at least the 1 week to exam.
No na kurio uguo ti Arutwo othe mari na murugamo omwe, kuona amwe ao marenda kuhorere niguo mathi na mbere na mathomo mao. Ngiribotera Kameme TV mohoro matura-ini, ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.